Everyone na fe yenko ensem fufuru emu opanyina wono na chese woye CEO na ase kwanchefo panyi Edema National Communication Authority no Jo Anochi wode ensem atudwa no chese bra ye park Public Account Committee ni frɛ no obusa se wo hwɛ se de Vodafone adwuma no wo mo hwa ye sese ya dane e de ahye Telecel ensem a adwuma ye fo wo hono no wo mo adwuma ne da achen te se opanyina chire mo mo adwuma ne de ya de ebekoso akuta wo mo gese wa ye wadwinse adwuma no wonye bie
Abra Public Accounts Committee no eshia impenifo a womo efi National Communications Authority no Deputy Ranking Member Emma Public Accounts Committee Davis Opoku Ansa to Chief Executive Officer Oda National Communications Authority NCA Joe Anochi enim se womanfo a womo eye adwuma ewo Vodafone asese womo edi dwumakoi ekoma Telecel no womanfo a womo eye adwuma wo ho no dien ana womo beye afa ho.
And but there's this acquisition that is happening or is likely to happen, that is from Vodafone to Telecel. My question is that what will happen to the workforce? What will happen to the workforce? What policies are you putting in place to ensure that we maintain the workforce?
Eno na CEO eda NCA ano Joe Anochi to committee nenim se womo eguso ene dwumakoi esinkonya edinkomo afa anamontu a womo ebetu ade afa omanfo yi ehu.
If you recall, when we did a press release, we said it was a conditional approval. So as part of the conditions, HR matters will have to be resolved. So hopefully, before we grant the final approval, that will have to be addressed.
Joe Anochi assigned in some fufro etudwa edifa SIM card our man for eg ehun.
So currently the telcos are able to provide SIM for all tourists or visitors. It's so when you come in at the airport or at any point in time, the SIM registration application is able to process you to be here for 90 days.